Yo, you guys, it's Badger here. Today we're gonna have a look at another kid's tablet, and as you see, it is kind of similar to the other ones we had. It is Android based. It comes with this little blue case, so it is secured in case it might fall down or something, which is pretty straightforward on that regard. And after all, it seems pretty solid. You got all the typical buttons, as you see. And it is pretty straightforward in using. As you see, we got access to all the buttons, we got a little stand in the back, just as with all of these. Let's see, the brightness is fine, I guess. You can't really expect more for the pricing here on that part. And it also comes with this little pencil, so that is a little bit of a different approach there. Otherwise, it is similar to everything. But it also has like this paint function already on here. I haven't seen that on any of the ones we've seen before. Yeah, and it works just fine, reacts fine. So I'm guessing it might be a good alternative to the other ones we have seen on our channel yet. So yeah, I don't know. Feel free to check that out. Like I said, I think this pen function is probably not only for this tablet. I think these pens should work on all of them. But it is already in the package, so you don't have to like buy that yourself. You can just get that and use it. And yeah, we got nice big cushions on the side, as you see, so that is great too. Let's see. It's not coming off too easily, so yeah, but you could remove it if you wanted to. And otherwise, as I said, stand here, holding up the tablet quite easily, and all in all, pretty solid tablet with Android on it for the little ones. So until next time, my name is Badger, take care, and bye bye.